What's the meaning of custom? Custom. Custom.
Custom. Custom. The term custom refers to something that is made or done according to the specific requirements or preferences of a particular individual, group, or organization. It implies that the item or service is unique and tailored specifically for the customer, rather than being mass-produced or standardized. Customization allows customers to have greater control over the product or service they receive, ensuring it meets their exact needs and expectations. This personalized approach can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, as well as differentiation from competitors who offer more generic solutions.